It's bubbly, it's effervescent, it's floral. There are nice notes of that lavender syrup, and the grapefruit is that acid hit. If you drink spirits, I have a romantic idea for you called Cupid's Kiss. In a shaker, martini shaker, put some ice, regular ice. Don't use your beautiful cubes. You've worked too hard on those. And you're going to use a little vodka. You can use any kind of a clear spirit that you'd like. This is a Russian vodka that I found in my local international market. I recommend you toll for this kind of a product because you can find great deals on them and it's something different. Plus the bottle is beautiful. We're gonna put approximately 2 ounces or so. By the way, you can use the top of your martini cap here as a gauge for approximately 1 ounce or so. So this is 2, we're gonna make 2 cocktails. We wanna make sure we wanna do 2 and maybe a little change because it is a holiday after all. To that, I'm gonna add some lavender syrup. I have lavender in my ice cubes, so why not pair something that is also herbaceous and floral into your cocktail? This is a lovely lavender syrup that I found online. You can find them in certain liquor stores. You can also make your own. I love this noise. When you're making a cocktail in a shaker, you want to make sure that you keep shaking long enough so that you get that nice condensation on the outside. Plus, it really adds to the anticipation. We've got a lovely glass, and to that, you're gonna add some ice cubes. Let's see if these globes fit. They sure do. I'm gonna do 1 of each. These ones have some pansies, and I have one that has the rosemary to complement the rosemary syrup. We're going to add, I wanna add a little bit of the rocks to it, but not too much of the rocks. There we go. There we are. And this is basically the base of it. This has the alcohol and the lavender syrup, or if you wanted to make your own simple syrup. And then on top of that, Feverfew makes a great bounty of types of specialty, exciting sodas and bubbly elixirs. This particular one is a sparkling pink grapefruit, and it has a little bit of a fizz to it. So if you don't like alcohol or spirits, you can just use this to create your Cupid's Kiss. To make a very fun garnish, I'm going to take these great bamboo skewers. I'm going to take 3 raspberries and put it right on top. Is that pretty? Also, I have some strawberries. Cupid's Kiss. Salute. My favorite part. Yum. So you've got sweet and acidic and vodka-ish. Salute. I better have one more sip and then we better cut me off. Your kitchen, your rules. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Valentine's Day. Bravo. I'm already getting sloppy.